In this video, I'm going to show you how to change opacity on CapCut PC. Now, firstly, you will of course need a video clip which you would like to change the opacity of. I've just put in a random stock footage out of CapCut, so it doesn't really matter, it works the exact same way with every clip you put in. Now, what you then want to do is select that clip here on the timeline inside the sequence and go to Video and Basic up here. You want to then scroll down and expand this option, which is called Blend. Now, as you can see, the option called Opacity then shows up, and you can either move the slider icon, and as you can see, the opacity is changing and the text is slowly fading away on my screen, or you can type your percentages over here. Let's say I want it at 75%. Now, you can also click these arrows up and down. Alternatively, of course, that's possible. And for modes, you have different modes over here, as you can see, but that isn't connected to opacity, so just stick to this slider. Now, once you've done this, what this does is actually, if you have another video below this video, so I'm going to put one below it, let me move it, there we go, you will be able, with opacity, to basically see through, okay? Now, as you can see, currently I'm at 100%, and it's impossible to see through the video and what's below it, kind of on this timeline, but if I lower the opacity, you'll be able to see the bottom layer more and more. But of course, you first have to select the upper layer, and then as you can see, I'm changing opacity, and it's the bottom layer is being more and more visible. Now, that's pretty much it. That's how to change opacity on PC. CapCut. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.